In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset the menu bar control center on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And now on the left panel, select Menu Bar. And on the right side, scroll down underneath where it says Allow in the menu bar. Should be something that says Reset Control Panel at the bottom. Select that. Select Reset. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.